Welcome back to Potpourri Vlogs. So today I'm back with a quick video about my experience at Momo I Am 999 offer. Yes, so Momo I Am Sector 5 Salt Lake is running this wonderful and very interesting offer where they are giving unlimited food and drinks, which includes alcoholic beverages. Yes, you heard it right. Unlimited food and drinks at rupees 999 only. So we decided to go and explore this and tell you everything you need to know about this 999 offer. We have been to Momo I Am, not just this outlet but also some of their other outlets multiple times before. But we have not really tried any unlimited buffet offer at this restaurant. So we were really interested to see whether the quality and the taste of food remained as good as in the a la carte menu and how the entire experience goes. As you can see, this outlet is very spacious. The ambience is absolutely beautiful. They have a lounge area, they have a beautiful Buddha statue, the open bar, lots of different types of seating, a huge window pane which invites plenty of sunlight. Along with this, they have DJ nights, live music and much more to offer. So I think it's definitely worth the visit. The Zomato link of Momo I Am and the Google Map directions are given in the description box, so please go check it out. And do not forget to follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram for more such interesting food and travel updates. So let's begin. This is the unlimited non-veg buffet menu and I am going to take you through each of the dishes. First up, we have the chicken good karma soup. So it is basically a sweet corn soup with lots of veggies and chicken. It was very refreshing and really yummy, perfect for winter season. Next came the Momo I Am chicken wings and the hangover spicy momos. Both of them are their signature dishes and I love the fact that they are offering their signature dishes in the buffet, which is really amazing. And the momos tasted absolutely delicious. Another one of their signature dishes is their baos, and they have the chicken bao as a part of this menu as well. So this was followed by their chili pork, which was also really nice, yummy, tangy, spicy. Plus, this is one of the very few places where you will get unlimited pork in a buffet. And for the non-pork eaters, they have the option of Zen chili chicken as well. So you can go for that if you do not have pork. We also had the Ninja fries on offer, which we didn't opt for because we wanted to try only the non-veg dishes. Moving on to the main course, couple of really amazing, tasty, fresh comfort food. We have hot garlic fish, then there's the harissa chicken, chicken shapta, which is again a signature dish, non-veg fried rice and non-veg noodles. All of this again unlimited. And the most exciting, most awaited drinks menu. They are serving unlimited beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, for 2 hours, which I think is enough. Here are a couple of beverages that we tried. There are a mix of mocktails, cocktails and hard drinks of course. There's beer, there's virgin mojito, there's the daiquiri. Then you have the whiskey sour, another cocktail. This was the Cosmopolitan. We also ordered a couple of mocktails which were really nice and refreshing and complemented the food perfectly. Moving on to the desserts, they served us a special tasting plate of their brand new dessert, which is matcha miso, which is basically tiramisu topped with matcha tea. Then of course another signature dish, the Momo I Am cheesecake, which is absolutely heavenly to die for. Again, to repeat, you can have all the food and all the beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, at only rupees 999 per head. The charge is rupees 999 for Monday to Thursday, and for Friday, Saturday and Sunday the charge is 1199, which is around rupees 1200. The timings of this unlimited menu is the best part. It is available from 12 PM in the afternoon to 11 PM in the night every day. So overall, this is an offer that you just cannot miss. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about this video. Stay connected with us via our Facebook and Instagram handles. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.